Today in this video, I am going to demonstrate the lateral window technique for bladder dissection in the case of total laparoscopic hysterectomy. This technique is very useful in the cases of previous LSCS where bladder is densely adherent over the previous scar. The biggest fear for any gynecologist is bladder injury during TLH in cases of previous C-section. So we start our dissection by separating the UV fold after we assess how fibrotic is the adhesion between the bladder and the uterus. If the adhesion is quite fibrotic and the planes are not opening up, then we proceed with the lateral window technique. We start with dissection of broad ligament. Then it has to be remembered that fat belongs to the bladder. We make a plane by blunt dissection between the uterine vessels and the bladder. Landmark for right plane is the presence of vertical capillaries and loose areolar tissue that guides us to exploit this vascular plane. Thank you.